Hello everyone, my name is Leo. You see all the rice are separate and firm. Then add the ingredients into it. And keep stirring around to make sure all the ingredients is warm at the same temperature as the rice. And that's how you do combination fried rice for a party of 50 people. Last but not least, finish with fried eggs, cilantro, and scallion. That's how you do egg fried rice for a party. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And if you like more of this video, consider subscribe my channel. And I'll see you next time.